Hi everybody. We're going to do our math workshop problem, but we're going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to do my opening here, and then you're going to do your problem at home, and then you're going to see if you can explain your strategies or your ways to solve it. All right, let's see what the problem says. Jacob had some gold coins in his box. How many coins did he have in his box? Oh, it doesn't tell us. It says some. I bet you that's what we're going to have to figure out. All right, let's keep going. Danner gave him 3 more. He was a good friend. He gave him 3 more coins for his box. Now, Jacob has 6. How many coins did he have to begin with? Well, I know that the first thing I do when I'm solving any problem is I have to figure out what I'm solving for. That's called my unit. So I go back to the question and I read it. How many coins did he have to begin with? So like we always say, we circle it and we write it. Okay, so we're going to be solving for coins. So we write, coins. Okay. All right, so let's see what the story tells us. So Jacob had some gold coins. We don't know how many. So we can start our unit bar like this. We know that there were some, and we don't know how many. So I'm just going to label that some and put a question mark because I don't know how many gold coins were in his box. Then it says that Danner gave him 3 more. So he gave him more. So I'm going to draw more onto this because this is going to show or represent that there were 3 more. And since Danner gave him 3 more, I'm just going to put a D for Danner right here. Okay? Now the next part of the story says Jacob now has 6. Oh, so the sum that he had before and the 3 that Danner gave him all together, it tells us, makes 6. Wonder how I could label that. Could label all. Wait a minute. What are we looking for? Coins. Okay. All the coins. Okay. So Jacob has 6 coins in his box total. So let's look at our unit bar. If we have a whole, the whole thing, and we have part, which is what Danner gave him. Wait a minute, and I need to find the other part. I know that a whole minus a part equals the other part. Okay, so I think I can write my equation now. So I can say 6 take away or minus the part that Danner had. That was 3. That equals something. That equals the coins that he had to begin with. I also know that a part plus a part, so 2 parts together give me they're equal to a whole, the whole thing. So I can think about it in 2 different ways. So I can think about, well, the part that he had to begin with, that's some coins that he had, plus the part that Danner gave him. Oh, I know that was 3. All of that all together has to give me 6. So as I'm thinking about this, I know that I can solve it 2 different ways. I can use subtraction, since I have a whole and a part, or I can count up. I can say the sum that Jacob had plus the 3 that Danner gave him all together should give me 6. Okay, well, I think I'm going to use this way. But whichever way that you choose that helps you figure out how to solve it, you can solve it with this equation or you can solve it this way. All right, so I need to think of a strategy or a way that I can show how to solve this equation. I know, I can do a model drawing. And if 6 is my whole, I know that that's how many coins that I need to draw. Okay, So I'm going to draw 6, and I'm going to draw it in the 5 group way because that really makes it easier for me to see what I've drawn. Makes it a little more precise. Okay, so I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then so I'm going to take away 3. I'm not going to draw 3 more. I'm going to take those 3 away. I'm going to take away the part that Dana gave him. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's see. So this is what the other part is. So it looks like 3. 3 coins. Okay, so I've got one strategy. Let's see. I think I could use one more strategy because I want to check and make sure that I'm correct. So I think I'm going to use a number line. So I'm going to use a number line. I'm going to be real precise. I'm going to be careful, make sure that I can read it. And so if I'm going to start at 6 and I'm going to count back to subtract, that means I've got to put my 6 over here. And so if I'm going to count back, I have to go this way. So I have to show my arrow is going to go this way. These are where my hops are going to go. Well, let's see. I'm going to hop back 3, because that's what my strategy showed here on my model drawing. So let's hop back 3. So 6, which represents all of the coins. Okay, so I'm going to take away 3. I'm going to take away the 3 that Dana had. So I'm going to hop back. I'm going to take away 1. There's 1 coin. I've got to keep going. There's another coin. And there's another coin. So these are the coins right here that Dana gave him. All of these coins are the ones from Dana. Okay. So I landed right here, which means, wait a minute. These were the coins that Jacob had first. These were the sum coins that we didn't know. Jacob had these first. Well, let's see if it matches. So this number line strategy matches my model drawing. I bet it's the same. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. So he had 3 coins to begin with. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to have a problem that's just a little bit different, but you can use the same strategies, but you have to be precise. Make sure that when you do a number line that we can read it and that you show where you're going on your number line, if you're hopping back or if you're counting on and hopping forward. Make sure that we see your unit, your Okay. All right, so let's see what your problem says. Your problem says Jacob had some gold coins in his box. Danner gave him 4 more. Now, Jacob has 8. How many coins did he have to begin with? So it's like a mystery, and I can't wait to see how you solve it and what strategies that you used, which are different ways, and I can't wait to see how you explain it. So good luck, and I will look forward to seeing it.